Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to show you how to make TIFF file, TIFF extension. So first you should know what is the difference between TIFF and JPEG. In TIFF file we can move the picture only and we can use anywhere, but in the JPEG we have to move the whole image. See, uh, I open one TIFF file and one JPEG. So now this is TIFF file. Now you can move the picture when you will open this file, TIFF file. You can move this, but for the JPEG image you will move it and the whole image with the background will be moved. So we save in the TIFF file when we need to use that picture only for another background or for another uh, place. Okay, so now let's start how we create this. So first I am going to open this one of the file. Suppose this file, I open it. On this file I have already. So this is JPEG image. You will click on the file, save, and you will make it JPEG, so it will save in JPEG, JPG. Now see, we are making the TIFF file now. First we are going to select this the whole picture. We selected whole picture and now we will go to file, new, and we will cut this selection from here, and after that from here, suppose 2 by 3 I took this. I can change this if I have to make 2 by 2, now I took the transparent and I paste it here. Now I am going to fix and then I will crop, so this picture will be 2 by 2. So I fix this. Now I will take the crop. On the top width and height I put 2 inch, and from pixel centimeter, now I took this and I crop this picture. The selection will be only 2 inch height and 2 inch width. Now I am going to save this. When I am saving, so I will choose TIFF in the extension. Now OK, and I will save it. Now I am going to open this so you can see this one. We can move this. Even you save in white background or any background, you can move this if you are saving in TIFF. In other hand, if you are saving in JPEG or in PSD, we save it, so means it's a Photoshop format. So also if you leave it as it is, so you can take the picture images if you have selected. So but TIFF is better because in PSD there is all the layers. You have to choose the layer. Okay, so now I am opening one picture. Click on file, open, and now I will open that picture, TIFF file. So I will use that image in this picture. So you can see now I took this and now I will fix this image. I crop this image and now I am going to fix where I want to fix it. This is just I am giving example. You can use any of the picture and anywhere you can use it. So now you can make it small or big or wherever you want to put this, so you can use it. Now I can save this in JPEG or again TIFF, so I can use this picture again in another file. So okay, I hope you will understand. If you have any question and inquiry, you can ask in the comment box, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.